Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan cream of mushroom soup. First, slice 16 ounces of your favorite mushrooms, like cremini or button, into thin pieces. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add the sliced mushrooms and cook them until they are beautifully golden brown and all their liquid has evaporated. This step is crucial for deep, rich flavor. Next, we'll build our creamy base. Reduce the heat to medium. Sprinkle in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and whisk continuously for about 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste. Gradually pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken beautifully as it cooks. Now for that luxurious creaminess. Stir in 1 cup of unsweetened plant-based milk, such as almond or soy, ensuring it's plain. For extra richness, incorporate 1/2 cup of full-fat canned coconut milk. Don't worry, it won't taste like coconut. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Finally, let's bring it all together. Allow the soup to simmer gently for about 10 minutes, letting all those wonderful flavors meld and deepen. Taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. Serve your homemade vegan cream of mushroom soup hot, perhaps garnished with some fresh chopped parsley or chives. It's perfect as a starter or a light meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.